Hi, today I'm on video of Rudy Ohama who tells about how you can make your greatest comeback in your life. So let's get to it. In life of many people, suppose wake up tired to their routine every day, the same routine, and feel stuck, feels overwhelmed. Don't feel unmotivated. It's not that when you feel unmotivated, then you will start feeling that, and when you feel that, you will generate negative thoughts in your mind. Your mindset, your behavior will change. You will follow your feelings. Your feelings is everything in your life. If you feel happy, you will start having good thinking, good habits, good mindset. So if your feelings are bad, you will start generating negative emotions, and you will not grow in your life. You will not being on a point A to a point B. For that, you must have a goals, many goals. You must find what you want to do in life, what you love to do. You can seek it in internet, in your life, and see your mentors, what they do. If you love it, you can do the same. Follow it on YouTube. Go on YouTube, find mentors, find your gurus, all what they have, how they do it. You can find it, and you can know what you love to do, and make step to achieve your goals. You don't want to learn, you don't want to grow your knowledge. You must have knowledge to build success, to build wealth. You must have knowledge. Read books, listen to podcasts in Instagram, in YouTube, in TikTok. Now knowledge are everywhere. It's not like 50 years ago. Now knowledge are everywhere. Even you are poor, you can have knowledge and use this knowledge, this potential power, and be in action every day. Be consistent in your work. Be consistent. Grow with small steps. Every small steps you do will lead you somewhere. And stop social media. Stop scrolling on social media. And when you wake up and you are on social media, it's the most dangerous behavior to have. When you wake up, meditate, think on your days, pray. If you believe in God, pray for having good days, a bad day, a good day. You know what I'm saying. Do the point of what I will do, what task I will do for the day. Achieve daily goals, have daily goals, and achieve it, and work from that to achieve your big goals. And don't give up in life. Don't give up. If you want to succeed, to have a big success, you will suffer. It's clear. You will suffer. Every person with his own story. You will have your own story to tell people when you succeed. You will prepare. You must be prepared for that. You will tell people your story, your difficult, how you achieve it. Every challenge you achieve, you must tell them. So it's that. Find inspiration. Go and don't go through obstacles, challenge, and achieve your goals. And even if you achieve it, love the process of achieving. Find inspirational coach, your mentors on videos, on YouTube, on TikToks, on Instagram. Don't stop. growing. If you stop growing, you die.